Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Today we are going to talk about the winter care and pruning of your roses. Many people are reluctant to prune their roses heavily this time of year because they may still look good.
With our relatively mild winters, your roses may not go into full dormancy and lose all of their leaves like they do in colder climates. However, dormancy is beneficial to produce better quality blooms and sturdier stem growth in the new season.
That is exactly why it's very important to heavily prune and strip all the leaves off your rose bushes right now. Roses need to be forced into dormancy, at least for a short time. This gives them a chance to store up enough energy to produce better quality stems and flowers for the new growing season.
This cut back small bush will produce a much more compact, better flowering, stronger bush than one that has not been cut. The uncut rose will develop longer, weaker branches with most of the new growth and smaller flowers out on the end of the branches.
Always make a 45-degree angle cut just above an outside leaf bud and angled away from the bud so that sap will not cover the bud up. The angled cut will ensure that water does not collect on the flat cut end of the stem and cause any fungal problems. And the outside bud will ensure that the stem will continue to grow out away from the bush and not grow into itself. Always remove dead or broken branches and any that are crossing over inside the bush or rubbing other branches.
You will also want to make sure to remove any branches that have started growing below the graft at the base of the bush. This growth will not produce good quality leaves or flowers because it will be sucker growth from the rootstock. The main idea is to create a nice, even, open framework for the new growth to grow on. Now that you have cut back and stripped off all of the leaves, your rose is ready to store up energy for the new season.
To help this process along, you should clean out any debris around the base of the rose, put down a fresh layer of organic mulch, and fertilize with our rose food or rose potion. Now your roses are good to go for the new season.
For more information on this topic, get our free star notes, number 105, number 520, and number 605 at starnursery.com.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location to pay for your house call. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.